Alright, huge warning for altcoin holders. So right now I'm on the BTC Dominance chart, and if you don't know what the BTC Dominance is, it is basically the percent of the market cap that is measured in Bitcoin. So for example, right now we're at 43.14%, and that means that the total valuation of the total crypto market cap, 43 whatever percent of that makes up for Bitcoin. So why is this important and why is it bad for altcoins? First of all, when the Bitcoin dominance goes up, it means that altcoins are losing purchasing power against Bitcoin. When the Bitcoin dominance is falling, like it has been since October, you can see altcoins predominantly are gaining more value against Bitcoin, or there's just more altcoins in the market taking up a higher valuation. But when the BTC dominance starts skyrocketing and breaking above, specifically we're looking at this 200-day moving average here. Every time we kind of come up to this 200-day moving average, we normally have a very, very explosive rally. And this is very bad for altcoins. So I have a few altcoins against BTC charts here. For example, if I come over to ICP against Bitcoin, if I can find where we are, you can see ICP is dropping like a rock against the Bitcoin valuation. If we find Solana against Bitcoin, you can see Solana is dropping against Bitcoin like a rock. I don't have the FIDA USD chart, but it does seem, obviously FIDA is dropping like a rock as well. If we don't hold this 150, we're probably gonna come all the way back down here to 174. So I mean, all in all, I don't want to pull up every single altcoin chart, but just one more so you can see. You can also see Link is losing valuation against Bitcoin. So this is really what I'm talking about right now. The BTC dominance is going up, which means that Bitcoin is gearing up for a bullish move. We have strong volume coming in for the BTC dominance. The RSI is turning up. If we come over to the weekly, decent volume as well, but obviously bear in mind we have just broken above this channel. So if this is going to be a breakout and we do something like this and bounce, then bear in mind your altcoins are most likely going to become destroyed against Bitcoin. Obviously there will be a few coins that hold up, you know, maybe a few shit coins, a few dog coins, but all in all, you know, 90% of the alts are going to get absolutely destroyed against Bitcoin. So personally, my own trading plan right now is to not hold many altcoins. I hold a tiny bag of Dogelon Mars, not even like a 1% allocation. I hold maybe 30 or 25% of my assets in Solana that I am staking or I've got in NFTs, etc. And the rest of my money I've got parked in Bitcoin, and I'm waiting for the BTC dominance to explode up and for altcoins to become cheaper against Bitcoin, because I do believe all of these altcoins that I've kind of got on the side here, even Solana, which pains me to say because I do like Solana, but you know, on the flip side, if you do like these altcoins, which I do, you kind of should be hoping that the BTC dominance does go up, because if you want a dollar cost average into these coins, for example, I really want to buy more Solana. But my own trading plan is not to buy Solana when it's below the 618. So until we do get above 112 for Solana, I'm not going to be buying because it is bearish, at least in terms of technical analysis. And the Sol BTC pair is obviously dropping like a rock right now, so I don't want to drag this video out for too long, because really this is a really simple chart. Almost every time the BTC dominance has more than 1 day, 1, 2, 3 days above the 200-day, we normally have explosive gains. So bear in mind also that we do have the Super Bowl on Sunday, so something like this could happen. We could be here today, Saturday we could backtest, and Sunday we could start exploding. And you know, if we don't immediately start dropping below this 200-day moving average, then the BTC dominance is just going to keep going up. Bitcoin's going to become more valuable against altcoins, and altcoins are going to get decimated. Also, just to finish it off, if we do come over to the BTC USD chart, you can see that we are running into a tiny bit of resistance on this downtrending line as well. So there are two situations that can happen. Either Bitcoin can explode out of this downtrend, and that would mean that the altcoins are going to be going down as Bitcoin is going up, or we could get rejected from this point and roll down, and also the BTC dominance could go up because more people are selling all of their altcoins in exchange for Bitcoin, or people are just getting out the market. So yeah, do bear in mind if you're holding altcoins right now, I would keep an eye on this this dominance chart. If we do completely just turn around tomorrow and do something like this and fall off the table, then it might be a good idea to pick up some altcoins. I know personally I'm eyeing up Solana and I'm hoping to get a better price on it, but like I said, I mean, according to my technical analysis, all of these coins are very much bleeding against BTC. So yeah, keep an eye on the BTC dominance. Once again, none of this is financial advice, it's just my opinion on the market, and you should always do what's best for you. Peace.